We are finally in New York. This city looks amazing.
Yes, today will be a great day. Let's explore together.
Look at those tall buildings. They are so big. I feel so excited. I want to see everything.
Stay close to us. There are many people here.
Yes, don't go far. Hold my hand.
Wow, look at that shop. It looks fun. Wait for us. Don't go alone.
Stay close to us. There are many people here.
Yes, don't go far. Hold my hand. Oh no, where are the kids?
They were just here.
This is not good. Stay calm. Let's look for them quickly.
I am very worried. We must find them.
I think we are lost. I don't see Mom and Dad. Don't panic. Let's stay here. This place looks different. I feel scared.
It's okay. We will find them soon.
Let's check that corner. They might be there.
Yes, keep looking. Don't give up.
I think we should ask someone for help. Yes, maybe someone can help us.
What if something happened to them?
No, they are smart. They will be okay.
Let's stay here. They will find us. Okay, I will not move. Where did you go? We were so worried.
We are sorry. We got lost.
Next time, stay with us. This is very important.
Yes, Dad. I understand now.
Are you both okay now?
Yes, we are fine. Just a little scared.
Let's stay together and continue our trip.
Yes, but more carefully this time.
I feel better now. I am not scared anymore. Me too. I feel safe now.
Today was difficult, but we learned something.
Yes, we must always stay together. Now let's enjoy the city again.
Yes, but safely.
New York is still fun. Yes, but a little scary too.
This was our worst moment today.
But we are together again.
Family is the most important thing.
Yes, always stay together.
Even bad days teach us something.
And we grow stronger together.